Lecture 10, Design Basics, Clean Layouts and Readable Charts. Today we're shifting gears a bit. We're talking about design. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a designer, why does layout matter? And the answer is simple. A great dashboard isn't just about data. It's about how people experience that data. You could have the most accurate numbers, but if your layout is messy or your charts are hard to read, your message will get lost. This lecture will help you build dashboards that look clean, feel organized, and make sense at a glance. No artistic background needed, just a little structure and logic. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to organize charts and elements using a logical, clean layout. Apply spacing, alignment, and groupings to improve readability. Design dashboards with consistency in fonts, colors, and sizes. Avoid common layout and visual clutter mistakes. Why layout and design matter? Let's start with a basic truth. Most people don't read dashboards, they scan them. They look for patterns, big numbers, colors, and key visuals. If your dashboard feels overwhelming or inconsistent, they will stop paying attention, even if the data is good. So, our goal is to help people find what they are looking for quickly, without having to guess where to look. Principle 1. Group related items together. Imagine a classroom bulletin board where announcements, schedules, and grades are all scattered randomly. It would be confusing. In your dashboard, group similar charts and metrics close to each other. For example, place all academic performance visuals, scores, grades in one section. Put filters and drop-downs at the top or along one side. Keep summary metrics like totals and averages at the top. This helps users understand the storyline of your dashboard. Principle 2. Use whitespace wisely. Whitespace isn't wasted space. It's breathing room. Cramming charts together makes your dashboard look crowded and harder to follow. Add space between elements to guide the viewer's eye and make each chart stand out. So here you can see we have 4 different charts. One is table, pie chart, line chart, and the gauge as well. Use consistent spacing about the same amount between all visuals. This adds structure without needing any fancy design tools. Principle 3. Stick to simple color scheme. Colors are powerful, but too many can become distracting. Choose a few, 2 to 3, that match your theme or purpose. One primary color for highlights, for example blue for scores. One neutral for background or less important data. One alert color, for example red for low performance. Avoid using bold colors for every chart. Instead, use color to draw attention where it's needed, like a drop in performance or a standout result. Principle 4. Align and resize for consistency. Make sure charts are aligned vertically and horizontally, sized evenly when comparing similar visuals, labeled clearly and consistently. For example, if you have 2 bar charts side by side, make them the same height and use the same font for both. Inconsistent sizing creates confusion and distracts from your message. Principle 5. Limit the noise. Here is what to avoid. Overlapping charts, text boxes with too much wording, long access labels at angles, too many filters or visuals on one page. Remember, less is more. If it doesn't help people understand something, consider leaving it out. Bonus: start with a wireframe. Before building, sketch your layout on paper on a slide. Decide where your main elements will go: charts, filters, scorecards. This saves time and helps you build with clarity.